Welcome once again to our commerce classroom. In this session, we will discuss about Rowan plan and Emerson's efficiency plan. The difference between Halsey plan and Rowan plan is in the computation of bonus. In case of Halsey plan, bonus is 50% of time saved wage. But in case of Rowan plan, in the place of that 50%, we take time taken divided by time allotted as our proportion. So the formula under Rowan plan is equal to time taken into rate plus time taken divided by time allotted into time saved into rate. We illustrate Rowan plan with the support of an example. Rate per hour is equal to rupees 15 per hour. Time allowed for job is equal to 20 hours. Then time taken 16 hours. Calculate the total earning of the worker under Rowan scheme. The formula earning is equal to time taken into rate plus time taken divided by time allotted into time saved into rate. We know time taken is 16 hours and then rate per hour 15 per hour. Then time saved is equal to 4 hours. 20 minus 16. We apply these informations in the formula. Earning is equal to time taken 16 into rate 15 plus time taken divided by time allotted. Time taken 16, time allotted 20 into 4 into 15. Then we get 288. 288. Then another incentive scheme we discuss in this session is Emerson's efficiency plan. Under Emerson's efficiency plan, earning is equal to guaranteed time wage plus bonus based on the efficiency of worker. The main features of this scheme are time wages are guaranteed and in addition to time wage, bonus is given on the basis of efficiency of worker. Below 66.66% of efficiency, the worker is paid time wage only. If the efficiency of worker is less than 66.66%, worker will get only time wage. Beyond 66.66% of efficiency, the worker is paid time wage plus bonus at stated percentage of time wage. Percentage of bonus increases with the increase in efficiency and reaches 20% when efficiency is at 100%. Beyond 100% of efficiency, bonus is paid at 20% of time wage plus 1% for every increase in efficiency. For 110% of efficiency, bonus will be 30%. Up to 100%, worker will get 20% bonus, and from that 100%, for every increase in 1%, he will get 1% additional bonus. Earning under Emerson's efficiency plan is equal to time taken into rate plus percentage of bonus into time taken into rate. Here we illustrate Emerson's efficiency plan by using an example. Standard output for the day of 8 hours is 16 units. Actual output of the worker for 8 hours is 20 units. The rate per hour is rupees 25. Calculate the wage payable to the worker according to Emerson's efficiency plan. First of all, we calculate the level of performance of our worker. Level of performance is equal to actual output divided by standard output into 100. Here, actual output is given 20 units. Then standard set is 16 units. So 20 divided by 16 into 100, that is equal to 125%. We know as per Emerson's efficiency plan, up to 100% of efficiency, our worker gets 20% of time rate as bonus. And for every 1% increase from 100% efficiency, he gets 1% bonus. So bonus available to worker is equal to up to 100%, 20%, then from that 100% to 125%, he get 25%, total 20 plus 25, that is equal to 45%. Then we apply informations in our formula. Earning is equal to time taken into rate plus percentage of bonus into time taken into rate. Earning is equal to 8, time taken 25, rate 45% bonus, 8 into 25, that is equal to 200 plus 90, amount comes to, earning comes to rupees 290. Rupees 290. I think this session is useful to all of you. In our coming sessions, we will discuss other incentive schemes. Till then, goodbye.